Very good, darling. It's actually a breed. Good taste. Are you teething, mister?
The front blue lights are so, like, ominous.
I know.